How to delete database table via phpMyAdmin in cPanel. Log into your cPanel account and you will be on this page. Go to the Databases section and click the phpMyAdmin. On the left sidebar, there are databases. Click on the database to open its list of tables in the right pane. Now click on the name of the table you want to delete. On the top bar of this window, there are different options available to perform different operations on the database. Go and click the Operations button. Now scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Delete the Table option. Click the OK button. That's it! We have successfully deleted the selected table and it has been removed from the list of tables of the database. Thank you for watching.